like Canaan, that ass to sleep and you dreaming.
Cause you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of an unboxing video. I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys a bag that I got yesterday. So I've not seen it, so I'm gonna see it with you guys. I'm gonna open it up with you guys, okay? And yeah, I love it. Like, I saw it before I was leaving and I was like, oh my god, I need it. If you like this type of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And one more thing, sorry, what do you guys think about my hair? Yes girl, I'm switching it up. I was so bored of my other hair, so I just wanted to do something cool. And look at this cool jewelry. Like, what? Who is this? Anyways guys, so yeah, if you like that hair, please give it a thumbs up. Plus, I did this myself, so can I get a thumbs up? I hate long intros, so I'm gonna let you guys watch it right now, okay? Okay, so this is the bag that they give you, and it comes with a box inside, and inside of the box there's a silk bag to protect the bag, of course. The guy at the store told me that this bag is very sensitive, but honestly I did this video a few months ago, like 2 months ago, so I've had it for a while now and I've worn it a lot of times and it's still looking good. I really like this bag. I think it stands out so much. I love the color, the gold detail. I mean, it's everything, and it's like a velvet type of fabric. It is a velvet fabric, and it has this cute heart in the back, and it comes with a card inside and like a piece of fabric, I guess, to know what type of fabric. And the inside of the bag is like this hot pink. Oh, it's so nice. I would totally recommend this bag to anyone who would like to buy it. I think it's a super nice investment. It looks beautiful, and sometimes you just gotta spoil yourself. You can wear this bag in two different ways, which I'm gonna show you in a second. But yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase. Anyways guys, so I hope you really enjoyed the video. The bag is so nice, the color, oh my god, so I'm really excited to wear it during summer. I must say, like, with Gucci and everything, I love their new things they're coming out with. I think they're so modern and so cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, morning, night, whatever, wherever you are. I hope you're good, and I'll see you next time. Bye.